It's all about making a difference. And that's why we're here. That's why we're here as AFBE. How can we make a difference? How can we make a difference in people's lives? And how can we bring people together, essentially? There's a growing community of students who are graduating from ethnic minority backgrounds, Black and ethnic minority backgrounds. But how many of them are actually translated into the job market?
We're seeing such talent. We really want to help and support people transition from university into the workplace, and we understand that it can be quite a difficult task to do. So anything we can do to help, we're delighted.
I hope they take away from it today that actually the world of work that's out there is really exciting. If they want to, they can absolutely go and change the world. And I hope what they take from this also is they get support from people like me, is to help them make those first steps in those really important careers.
I think the biggest takeaway was the conversation about the mentoring and basically how important it is in business to have trust and confidentiality in the people you're working with.
Probably what I've learned that is most important is networking and just like getting your name out there, reaching out to people. There's nothing wrong with asking people for help or for guidance and advice. So there's no wrong question or like stupid question. Ask anything, and then people, you'd be surprised, they're always willing to help.
So from my perspective, as a recent graduate who's soon going to be stepping into this industry, it is very much important that I get to interact with the people who are actually going to review my CV or are going to hire me for different roles. And if I get to know what the recruiter is actually wanting to see in a specific candidate with these CV workshops or open days and all these things, it can be very helpful for me as a student.
Events like this are very important because BP just reinvented itself, and we're walking towards net zero 2050, and reaching out to the right set of diverse candidates is key to us to make sure that we have the right talent that will help us achieve this goal.
I think it's really important that they have the work they're doing, because we understand that for a young person to be all they can be, they need a university degree. They also need support on how they can make the most of this degree. And I think events such as this, organized by the AFBE, allow the students to connect with the industry so that they can get all the support they need to become work ready. And as a university, we value this partnership.
The support of the university is quite important because oftentimes you see quite a number of diverse candidates from different countries, from different ethnicities coming to the University of Aberdeen to study different engineering disciplines. So it's quite important for the university to be able to give us the right support. And of course, inviting the corporate partners, the industry professionals is also quite important as well, because they'll be able to engage effectively with these students, tell the student what you're looking for in a candidate, and point the student in the right direction with respect to what they're supposed to be doing differently, what they're supposed to be doing effectively, to land them the dream job that they're looking for, in order for us to be able to reduce that sort of a percentage of the people that are unemployed from the minority background.